We still couldn't open our eyes. Cold ground, cold air. That was the first world we felt. When we breathed, our breath turned white. That was when we first learned what cold meant. We were hungry. We don't know how much time passed. We cried, then went quiet, again and again. Then, our mother came, without a word. She covered us with her body. Her body was warm, just a little. We pressed against each other, burying our faces inside her. She didn't move, not until we fell asleep, not even when we were awake. We didn't know then. We learned later. The place we were in was a farm road. If we had stayed there through that winter, we probably wouldn't have seen morning. Someone found us, and we were taken from the road to a shelter. Unfamiliar hands, unfamiliar smells. But those hands were warm. Then someone said, "It's a relief you're alive." Those words still linger in my ears. And that's how we survived.